Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be looking at how we can install Ubuntu inside KVM or QEMU as a virtual machine. And this is going to be on a Linux machine. I'm using Linux Lite, and this is going to be my host. Now there's a few things we need to check first before we can go ahead and do the installation. Now I'm on the terminal. The first thing you want to ensure is that your host machine supports virtualization, and this command right here, egrep-c for count, and then you want to check for these two values, either of these, so vmx or svm in this directory right here. And if the results you get is 0, that means it doesn't support it. You might need to enable it, and normally this is enabled in the BIOS. So I have a value of 8, meaning that it does support virtualization. So then the other thing we want to check is the amount of disk space we have available, and we can use this command right here, df-h, and the partition I'm looking at is this one right here, and I got 21 gigs of space, and that should be enough. I'm gonna use about 20, and then I'll check the memory. So the command I'm gonna use for that is gonna be grep total and prop info, and I have about 7.5 gigs. So once you've verified that, you also want to make sure you have your ISO image for Ubuntu. So I already downloaded this into my downloads directory. Let me cd to it. And it's right here. This is what I'm going to be using to install Ubuntu. Now with that done, we'll begin by installing the virtual machine manager that's going to be used. It's going to be our GUI that we'll use to install the Ubuntu virtual machine inside KVM. Now the command for doing that is going to be sudo apt update. So we will update the packages, and then we'll do the sudo apt install var manager. Once that installation is done, we can begin the process. So I already have a VAT manager installed, so it's saying it's already the newest version. Now to open it, we'll do sudo VAT manager. This is the tool right here, virtual machine manager. And to begin the installation, you'll need to click on this icon for creating a new virtual machine. And we'll be using local install media. It's going to be an ISO image. So I'll click forward here. And here we need to select the image. So I'm going to browse and browse local. I'm going to go to downloads. This is it right here. I'm just going to double click on it. Now it's selected and it's saying auto detect. Let's see. It's going with Ubuntu 22.04. We'll go with that and click forward. Here you can allocate memory depending on how much memory you have. So I'm going with 2 gigs and the 2 CPUs. So click forward. You want to enable storage for this virtual machine, and then you want to create a disk image for the virtual machine. Let's reduce this to 20. And let's call this Ubuntu. Actually, we can leave the default. Click on finish, and it's creating your virtual machine. Now from this point on, what we'll be doing is the regular install. We just have to go through the process of doing the installation from here on. So I'm going to go with the first option, try or install Ubuntu. So I'm just going to press enter. So it's doing the installation. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pause and come back when we have to input something. So at this point, we have to select the option of trying Ubuntu or to install. You can go with whichever option you want here. So I'm going to click on install Ubuntu. And you can just select your keyboard layout. I'm going with English. And I'm just going to go with the defaults here, normal installation. Maybe you can download updates. We're just going to uncheck that so that it doesn't take too long to install. And it's going to erase disk and install Ubuntu. I'm going to click install now. I'm going to click on continue. And then you just select the region. Click on continue. You can put your name. And then pick a username and a password. And select whichever option you want here. And then the installation is going to continue. I'm going to pause again. So as you can see here, we have installation complete. All we have to do now is restart. So click on restart now. That should restart the virtual machine. And as you can see here, we have Ubuntu 22.04 on QEMU/KVM. So the reboot is done, and I'm logged into the Ubuntu virtual machine that's inside KVM. Right here, I'll just do skip for now. Next. Next. And this is it. We have our Ubuntu virtual machine here. And if we open the virtual machine manager here, you can see we have one virtual machine listed, Ubuntu, and it's running. So that's it for this video. That's how we install Ubuntu on KVM. I hope this has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.